37 provincial election background held under Government of India Act 1935 first major provincial election followed withdrawal of CDM Congress decision despite opposing 1935 Act contested election AICC Parliamentary Board 1934 Lucknow session 1936 decided to contest but rejected the act manifesto civil liberty release of prisoner peasant and labor welfare abolition of untouchability women's equality khadi and village industry result Congress won 716 out of 1161 seat formed ministry and 6 province largest party elsewhere while Madras, Bombay, UP, Bihar, Odisha and Central Province formed the initial government in July 1937. Congress ministry were later established in the northwest frontier province and Assam. Congress ministry 1937 ministry salary cap 500 per month, civil liberty restored, peasant relief laws, education and health prioritized, labor reform, psychological gain of self-rule, press freed, constructive program, reduce spending on public building, khadi, village industry, Madras grant 2 lakh, Vardha scheme, basic education, debate, office acceptance versus rejection of 1935 Act, AICC March 1937 approved conditional acceptance on non-interference by governor. Reaction: left leader criticized compromise capitalist, endorsed minister resigned in 1939 after India dragged into World War II. Significance: first Congress governance experience shaped future politics. Growth of socialist idea. Early 1910 लाला हरदयाल introduced Marxist idea 1912 Russian Bolshevik Revolution 1917 inspired Indian intellectual AITUC 1920 organized labor platform with socialist principle. Later 1920 Nehru and Bose embraced socialism. Nehru 1927 Soviet visit reinforced planning faith. 1930 background Great Depression Soviet success radicalized youth. Nehru views Congress should be mass class based support Kisan Sabha trade union. Struggle trust struggle strategy cycle of protest and pause. Socialist including Nehru opposed pause and demand continuation confrontation. Congress Socialist Party 1934 advocate decentralized socialism via cooperative union farmer local authorities. Lucknow session April 1936 Nehru opposed office acceptance declared socialism as solution. Phase 4 session December 1936 first rural INC session focus on peasant demand land reform debt conciliation. Congress ministry 1937 socialist leaning reform influenced by CSP and Gandhian ideals. Communist Party revival reorganized 1933 recognized by Comintern 1934 Forward Bloc declared itself as a socialist party at Nagpur conference in June 1940. Significance socialism broadened struggle made it mass oriented and inclusive demand for Pakistan. 1930 Allahabad Muhammad Iqbal first proposed idea of separate Muslim homeland. 1933 Chaudhry Rahmat Ali coined the term Pakistan in pamphlet Now or Never. March 1940 Lahore Muslim League passed Pakistan resolution drafted by Sikandar Hayat Khan, presented by Fazlul Haq, supported by Khaliquzzaman Jinnah led demand for separate nation. Pakistan Day Muslim League commemorate Lahore resolution on 23 March 1943 as Pakistan Day. Sarojini Naidu 1919 held Jinnah as ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity. Lucknow Pact era. Iqbal remark to Nehru, "You were patriot. Jinnah is a politician." Jinnah role did not participate in non-cooperation movement. Later became sole spokesman of Muslim. August of 1940 background World War II context announced 8 August 1940 by Viceroy Lin Lithgow. Proposal post bar constituent assembly mainly Indian reaffirmed dominion status. Minority consent required. Proposed a Board Advisory Council. Indian majority in Viceroy Executive Council Defense Treaty, minority remained with Viceroy. Response: Congress rejected demanded independence. Muslim League rejected demanded Pakistan. Gandhi launched individual satyagrah. Significance: first official acceptance of Indian framing constitution dominion status. Promise explicitly July 1941 expansion gave Indian majority 8 out of 12 in Executive Council. Response of nationalists to World War II. Background: World War II began 1 September 1939. Britain declared India's participation unilaterally. Congress position: conditional support, post-war Constituent Assembly and immediate responsible government rejected by Viceroy Nehru. Gandhi opposed fascism, advocated limited support, called for controlled satyagraha. Nehru anti-fascist but opposed participation without independence, rejected immediate civil disobedience. Socialist Bose, J.P. Narendra Dev saw war as imperialist demand civil disobedience. CWC resolution condemned fascism, rejected British democracy claim, decided not to support war. Congress minister resigned. British response: Lithgow statement promised consultation but vague. Defense of India ordinance curtailed liberty, relied on Muslim League princes. Individual satyagrah. Background: launched by Gandhiji in 1940 August, offered failure. A limited control protest against India's forced war participation. Feature: Gandhi choose satyagrah, focus on freedom speech, strict non-violence slogan. दिल्ली चलो सत्याग्रही विनोबा भावे फर्स्ट 17 अक्टूबर 1940, जवाहरलाल नेहरू सेकेंड, ब्रह्मदत्त थर्ड. Revival Jan 1941 with group Satyagrah withdrawn in August 1941. Significance: kept resistance alive without full mass movement, maintained non-violence, signaled Congress defiance of British rule. Cripps mission 1942. Background: St. March 1942, led by Sir Stafford Cripps. Aim: secure Indian cooperation in World War II. Context: Pearl Harbor attack, December 1941. Allied setback: fall of Singapore and Rangoon. Growing Japanese threat, pressure from USSR and China. Reason: failure of August Supper 1940. Muslim League demanded for Pakistan. Proposal: dominion status after war with Viceroy retaining full power and defense under British till war ended. Constituent Assembly indirectly elected by provincial legislature and princely state nominate representative. Provinces free to opt out. Secession clause. Indian response: INC rejected delayed freedom dominion only defense not Indian. Succession clause. Gandhi called it post-dated check on failing bank. Muslim League demanded Pakistan. Outcome: failed. Quit India movement 1942. Background: failure of Cripps mission March-April 1942. World War II imposed on India without Indian consent. Japanese advance in Southeast Asia and fall of Singapore February 1942. Created war, panic, inflation, food shortage, famine condition, forcible re-questioning of vote in Bengal, precursor to famine. British support to Muslim League. Separatism, Atlantic character. August 1941 by Churchill. Roosevelt promised self-determination but Churchill excluded India. Indian army used abroad without consent. Nationalist frustration peaked. Cripps mission 1942. Sir Stafford Cripps came with proposal of offered dominion status after war. Right of province to ceded. Constituent Assembly partly elected and partly nominated. Congress rejected it. Gandhi called it post-dated check on a failing bank. Muslim League rejected it for different reasons. Failure made mass movement inevitable. CWC Wardha resolution 14 July 1942. Congress Working Committee met at Wardha. Quit India resolution drafted by Gandhi, proposed by Jawaharlal Nehru, seconded by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, chaired by Congress President Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Demanded immediate British withdrawal and re-establishment of provisional national government. approved by all member. AICC session 8 अगस्त 1942. ऑल इंडिया कांग्रेस कमेटी मेट एट ग्वालियर टैंक मैदान बॉम्बे 9 अगस्त क्रांति मैदान. गांधी gave do or die call, we shall either free India or die in attempt. Demanded immediate British withdrawal, threatened mass civil disobedience. Nehru and Patel also spoke. Resolution passed by unanimously by 189 voted to 13. Gandhi said this was open rebellion. Operation Zero Hour 9 अगस्त 1942. British government launched preemptive strike at 4 a.m. on 9 August before movement could begin. Gandhi arrested and taken to Aga Khan Place. Pune. Jawaharlal Nehru, Patel, Azad and others leaders arrested and taken to Ahmednagar Fort. Rajendra Prasad jailed at Bankipur Central Jail, Patna. Sarojini Naidu jailed at Aga Khan Place with Gandhi. Entire Congress leader arrested in one night. INC declared illegal. Congress fund and offices seized. Gandhi's detention. Gandhi held at Aga Khan Place, Pune on 9 अगस्त 1942 to 6 मई 1944. Operation Rubicon was the code word proposed to be adopted by British government in India with reference to Gandhi's fast into death in this jail. Kasturba Gandhi died in detention at Aga Khan Place 22 फरवरी 1944. Mahadev Desai, Gandhi personal secretary, also died in detention 15 अगस्त 1942 of heart attack. Gandhi undertook 21 day fast in detention. फरवरी 1943. Government feared he would die. Viceroy Lithgow refused to release him. Immediate mass response. Despite arrest of leaders, people spontaneously rose across India. Students left college, workers struck, peasants refused to pay rent, telegraph line cuts, railway track uprooted, government building attacked, post office burned. This was most spontaneous and violent phase of Indian freedom movement. British called it more serious rebellion since 1857. Lithgow words. Nature of movement. Leaderless after arrest, decentralization and spontaneous underground network operated on Gandhian faith because it involved widespread violence. Despite Gandhi non-violent call, British rule temporarily collapsed in several districts. Movement spread to virtually every district in India, lasted in various forms till 1944. अंडरग्राउंड रेडियो. उषा मेहता 1920 से 2000 रैन कांग्रेस रेडियो और सीक्रेट कांग्रेस रेडियो फ्रॉम 27 अगस्त 1942. ब्रॉडकास्ट फ्रॉम वेरियस सीक्रेट लोकेशन इन बॉम्बे. ट्रांसमिटेड फॉर about 3 months. Announced this is the Congress radio calling on 4234 meter from somewhere in India. Arrested by British November 1942. Sentenced to 4 year imprisonment. Later awarded Padma Vibhushan 1998. Understanding leader J.P. Narayan escaped from Hazaribagh Central Jail November 1942 with 5 other political prisoners. Organized Azad Dasta Free Brigade near Nepal border in Bihar with Ram Manohar Lohia. Operated till 1944 from underground. Lohia was later arrested. Achyut Patwardhan coordinated underground resistance in Bombay. Biju Patnaik, later Chief Minister of Odisha, flew secret mission. Sucheta Kriplani coordinated resistance in UP, Bihar with Acharya Kriplani. Arun Asaf Ali presided over All India Congress Committee session on 9 August 1942 after senior leader arrested. Hosted INC flag at Gwalior Tank, Bombay. Most iconic image of Quit India movement. Went underground, evaded arrested for months. British announced reward of 5,000 for her arrest. Later called heroine of 1942. Bharat Ratna 1997 posthumous. Parallel government.